Valentine's gift and Mother's Day gift for 2021, and help us to unbox it.
Okay, let's open it. First we got this box. Let's open this box. We got the purple one.
Now we'll open the main box first.
Okay.
Right now it's 20% off on Dyson stores. It's $399. I think it's also 20% off on Best Buy. So let's open it and see how it looks like. I'm very excited because now we want to use good products, especially for our hair. So it's called Dyson Supersonic, and we get 3 attachments. Actually, I got another free one. They will deliver it because if they don't have it at the store. So you get to choose another attachment, and I also got a free case. Wow, it's so pretty.
Okay.
Wow.
Guys, I will have this one. I will have these squishy things.
She likes boxes. Look. So for the attachments, we are getting, this is the styling concentrator, the smoothing nozzle, and then this gigantic one is diffuser. Oh, the purple is so nice.
And then we have the purple
I
hair
actually wanted the copper edition first, but they don't have it anymore, and I found one, but it didn't come with a stand, so I think I like it with stand, and this color is really beautiful.
And here's a guider. There's a guide on how to use it, and then I will read this part behind it. Hello and welcome to your new hair dryer. Visit Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer owner's page to get a quick connected and active forward on tape.
So you guys, this is so beautiful. So the handle is black color, and then this is purple, and then this is where you put the attachments, which it just magnets. It just attach really easy and nice. Let me take this off. Oh, you just pull it as well. Oh my god, it's so nice.
I want to try to put it on. So here's the hair dryer. You take this giant bowl with some like fake spikes looking. Then you put it here, and it's like a magnet. It attaches, and then it's like, guys, I have an announcement.
Oh, what's this? Ah, it's the mat. You can, if you didn't buy the stand, you can also use this mat.
I think this will be the stand.
Oh, so it's a little mat. So after you use it, you can just, I guess, place it like that. Let's open this box, the stand. I'll let Courtney open this second box. So this box, I got it for free.
Where's the scissors?
If you go to the store, they don't usually offer it. They would offer you a bag. The stand is exclusive for the purple one. So if you want to get the stand, if you look at the website, a stand is included and 1 extra attachment.
Oh, I did it! Here's the box.
So nice.
So here it
one stand. It's just, oh, that's why it's heavy. This is the heavy part.
Can I see? How heavy it is? Oh, it's kind of heavy.
So this is called display stand. This, look, you have to snap it. Oh. Click!
Okay, let me check what's next.
Ah, it's so nice. Where does it go?
Here.
This
one. Hair dryer goes behind here. Oh!
cool.
Then there should be another one that's bigger. Next, we put the hair dryer in. Going like this. It should be, I'm assuming.
Great. That's it. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. We'll be back. We will test it. Okay, we're back. So I already plugged it. Look how beautiful. So purple. Switch this button. Woo! Cool shot.
Okay, that's enough.
So this is, you can adjust the heat. And this one. Ooh.
Okay, that's enough.
Let's try it. Smoothing nozzle. So that's the one. Attach it. And start it. You know how hair dryers are so hot at the back? So it's here for the Dyson and it's cold air. You don't feel any heat. So overall, rating 1 to 10, 11. This is so good. I really like it. Hopefully it stays for a long time. Oh, this is so cool air. Wow.
Hey guys, so I just came out of the shower and as promised, we will do a review on our Dyson hair dryer. I decided that I will compare our old hair dryer to the new Dyson. It's the purple one. Okay, so I'm gonna brush my hair into half. So we will use this on the left side and the Dyson on the right side. I will be back, and also we will time it which one will dry faster. Okay, so that's interesting. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start the timer. Okay, timer's running, so let's start now. So I'm gonna put it on the highest heat, hot. So that is 1 minute and 10 seconds and my hair is dry. Super dry. It dries really fast, but it's really hot and it's so loud. So now we're gonna start the timer and use Dyson hair dryer. Let me put the setting. Okay. Okay, so dry, so fast, not loud, and not very hot. And guess what? 50 seconds. This one was faster than the Conair. But Conair is not bad. To compare, of course, this is more expensive than the Conair. The heat is here at the back, while the Dyson is here at the bottom. Light, heavy, hot, not hot, loud, not loud. So let's see. So here is the test video that I said I would do. But yes, I originally said I will just test it on the Dyson one, but now I tested it on both. And as you can see, they are literally each side dry. So what do you think, guys? So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in love with my Dyson. I love it. It's time for the Conair to rest. It gave us so many years, and so we bought the Dyson one yesterday, and I'm happy. Let me show you how it looks like.